We are looking at how to pronounce this word. Let's break down the pronunciation. Redeem, redeem, 2 syllables, redeem. Both British and American English are similar here, with the stress on that second syllable, redeem. We are looking at how to pronounce this word. Let's break down the pronunciation. Redeem, redeem, 2 syllables, redeem. Both British and American English are similar here, with the stress on that second syllable, redeem. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.